Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to turn on or to enable commentary and stadium sound effects on your FIFA Mobile. So to do this, just tap on the gear icon or the settings at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, that one. And then tap on the audio settings. Okay, the pencil icon, just tap on it, and then you will see here the different commentary on your audio settings. Okay, so since I already downloaded the English commentary, you cannot see a download options here, but I will still let you see how it looks like. So just tap on it and then tap on start to download one commentary. Remember, you can use one commentary at a time. Now let's download the stadium sound effects. So you can just see that at the very top corner of the audio settings, and then just tap on the download option if you can see it. But since I already downloaded it, now we can no longer see the download option. Okay, now let's run a test. Let's play a match and hear the stadium and commentary sound effects.
Welcome to Alcor, welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day one for them at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Stuart, what are you expecting to see?
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start, so let's...
And that's it. It's very nice to play FIFA Mobile if you have a commentary and stadium background sound effects. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.